In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make beautiful coloring pages using Canva. Whether you're an artist looking to digitize your sketches or simply someone who's interested in creating personalized coloring pages, Canva offers a versatile platform to get creative. We'll be walking through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll have the skills needed to design unique and engaging coloring pages. To begin, you'll want to head over to Canva's website. Once you're there, navigate to the search bar and type in coloring page. This will bring up a variety of design options and templates specifically tailored to coloring pages. This is your starting point for exploring the broad range of possibilities Canva offers for this kind of project. You'll find different styles and themes, making it easy to find something that fits your vision. Browse through the available templates. At this stage, it's helpful to take your time to explore different designs and see what catches your eye. One of Canva's great features is that you can hover over any template to see how many pages it includes. This preview is incredibly useful if you're looking to create a single page coloring sheet or a multi-page coloring book. Once you've settled on a template that aligns with your creative concept, click on Customize this template. This option will redirect you to Canva's design interface, where you get a much closer and hands-on experience in terms of personalization. This is where the fun really begins, as you can tailor every single element to your liking. In the design space, you have the option to edit any text on the template. Whether you want to change the title to something more personal or include an inspirational quote, Canva's tools allow you to customize the text easily. Simply click on the text box that you want to modify, and a range of editing options will become available, including font style, size, and color. Once you're satisfied with your coloring page, the final step is to download it. Canva offers several file formats including PDF, PNG, and JPEG, so choose the one that best meets your needs. PDF is highly recommended if you're planning to print it. With this, you now have a unique coloring page created in just a few simple steps. And there you have it. In just a handful of moments, using Canva's intuitive design platform, you've crafted your very own coloring pages. It's an engaging process that sparks creativity and can be as simple or as complex as you like. Don't hesitate to explore further and experiment with different designs or themes. I hope this tutorial has empowered you to unlock new creative pathways using Canva. Share your creations and inspire others too. Happy designing!